Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to a very special episode. Today we are doing the Fluid Art Experience collaboration with all the artists and teachers who are teaching at FAE. It's going to be really exciting. We have back-to-back 15-minute premieres for you. So since we only have 15 minutes, let's go ahead and get started. I'm very excited about this. This is a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have painted the back and taped the back, painted the sides and edges and taped my back and put my push pins in. There we go. And I'm excited about this because this is the size canvas we are going to be using at FAE in my big canvas class. And I have some colors that we're going to be using as our color palette over there. So I'm really excited to show you this one. And let me show you those beautiful colors. The first one that I'm a little obsessed with at the moment that we will have at FAE, this is Jadeite from Deco Art Extreme Sheen. Beautiful, beautiful color. Just gorgeous. Very reminiscent of that pearl pistachio that I had a little love affair with for a while. Gorgeous stuff. Okay, that's the Jadeite. And then we have one other one that I'm super excited about. This is Amsterdam Expert Series in Indigo. And this is very exciting because the lovely people at Fluid Art Co. sent this one to me because they are now stocking Amsterdam paints in every color. And I think they're the only ones in North America to do that, which is kind of awesome for us as artists. So beautiful, beautiful consistency, gorgeous depth of color. This is the Indigo. Everything is mixed with Mix Pour tonight. You can get your own Mix Pour by emailing Krista at krista8974@gmail.com. Okay. Then we have my other current obsession, Amsterdam Bronze, which I love this. I think HOA got a little bit jealous in the last video.
I was kidding. Jeez Louise, can't you a joke anymore?
It was cute.
I know.
But I do love this color. So this is the Amsterdam Bronze. And it just dries so pretty. I mean, with that last one we did with the Wispy Blues, and that tripped me out actually because I turned it on its side and then all of a sudden it looked like this giant skull and it kind of like creeped me out a little bit. But it was really cool. And the way the bronze was in there just was gorgeous. Okay.
Well, I'm not as nearly jealous as the 24 karat gold is.
And then this is Amsterdam Titanium White. Gorgeous stuff. So, woo! It's chilly in the middle of this candy thing and it just hit me. We're going to be doing some flip cups today. So, we're going to layer these two 9-ounce cups. For a 20 by 20, we need about 16 ounces of paint. These are 9-ounce cups. We should have 18 ounces of paint. I'm totally okay with that. If we need a flow extender, I have some standing by drips that I've scraped off the table from previous pours. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with some of, let's put some bronze in there.
Squeak, squeak.
I like squeaky clothes. Okay, now we're going to put some of our greenish blue. And now we're going to put some of that beautiful Jadeite. And a little bit of white. And some indigo. And we're going to go ahead and do that one more time. Slightly smaller layers so we can fit them all in this time. Greenish blue. I love this color. It's so pretty. If you're working on a budget and golden paints are a little too high priced, definitely I recommend the Amsterdam greenish blue because it's absolutely amazing. And very, very much like my Happiness in a Cup. My favorite turquoise. So, okay, that's pretty good. Let's start with that. Bring this over. Make sure our canvas is clean. I do like painting the sides and edges and the corners, just as insurance, just in case. All right, let's put a little puddle of bronze down. I'm gonna flip one over here. And the reason that I'm doing two instead of just one is because it gives you more control. You can decide where you move it around. Okay, so we're gonna flip this one. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Which one are you going to first?
This one. And one very, very helpful tip that my friend Jeremy from Massey Art Studios gave me was keep your elbow tucked in and just flip your wrist. So don't like have your whole arm going, just your wrist. Here we go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay. There's one. Let's pour another puddle. Oh, I did the wrong. Okay. We're going to do this one over here.
Yep. Got it.
Here we go. Okay. We'll just give those a few seconds to run down out of the cup. I think it's going to be a really beautiful color combination. The reason that we put the bronze down is to give the paint something to slide around on, because a dry canvas is a thirsty canvas, and as you tilt it, it's going to roll over itself and eat your composition. So we give it something to slide around on so that it's not a dry canvas and it's not as thirsty.
That'd be a good t-shirt. A dry canvas is a thirsty
We should go in the t-shirt business, huh? Okay.
Side hustle.
Let's flip this one out, and we probably will lip it. I'm going to flip it first and then lip it with the edge of the cup. Ready?
Yep.
I may not lip it because that's kind of cool looking. Okay.
Adaptable. That's what makes humans so successful.
Well, we have to go with the flow, you know? Have to look at what you're doing and gauge as you're going. This is really pretty in there with the jadeite and that greenish blue coming through. I love that. Okay, let's do this one. Are you ready, Hank? I'm sorry. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. I'm waiting for that.
There we go. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool too. So when you're doing this, you want your puddles to touch at some point, because what we're going to do right after this is make sure that those are one puddle so that they're moving uniformly, because trying to control two puddles is kind of difficult because your eyes don't go in different directions, you know. So get them to touch each other and become one, and then it will be much easier on you. Thank you. Those are so pretty too. Okay. There's a ton of cells. I think I am going to put a little bit of a flow extender around in this, just a smidge. This is just drips that I've scraped off my table, but I think there's a lot of that greenish blue in there because it looks like it's the same color, yeah. Okay. All right, I'm just going to put a little bit around here. Okay, now I'm going to give this a quick torch. Around the edges because my flow extender had a lot of air bubbles in it. All right, let's tilt this out. This is really cool looking. What do we like the best? I love this part. I'm going to take that and anchor it to that corner first. So first we're making sure that this is all moving as one and not separated. We're going to go off that corner. I'm going to bring it back. And we're going to go down off of that other corner. I'm going to take a little bit more off of there. And back towards the center again. I'm going to go off this way now. And here's the nice thing about having a tiny little bit more paint than you actually need is you get to control your composition. You get to decide what you keep and what you get rid of. And we're going to let this float back down. This is actually really, really pretty. I'm seeing a lot of transparency in here. Thank you, Mix Pour. I love when you can see all the layers of colors on top of each other, like in this section that's looking kind of purpley, that's the indigo. Do you want to leave some negative space?
You certainly have that option.
Space or no? I think maybe no.
Maybe less.
No, I think I don't want. Maybe just a corner. But I like what's happening in here. I love the transparency that we're getting. Taking this edge and stretching this side out now. So the only thing I'm not crazy about is that kind of straight line across the middle. Do you think I should try to introduce some curve there, or it's not bothering you and you like it? This part's kind of nebula-ish. I think I like it though.
I do.
You do.
What if you brought the middle down this way a little bit?
So introduce a little bit of curve in that section.
It's not bothering me, I just think it might be better.
So I think I'd rather go this way a little bit with it than into
Or you
that.
go the other way with it.
Yeah. I love you.
Yeah, that would be better, go the other way.
Well, I like this nebula stuff that's happening up here. So I like what's happening down there too, so. I take it back a little bit. Take it back now, y'all. I do like that better now that there's a little bit of a curve there.
I concur.
And it's not so straight. Okay, that's looking pretty cool. I love this. I love that greenish blue. It's such a beautiful color, and I'm happy that there's a big, beautiful ribbon of that jadeite going through it. I love that there's jadeite inside those cells, and I love that we're getting the indigo in there, in through here, like this whole section. It's just so pretty. Really, really gorgeous. Like these little cells. Wow, this part is amazing. Very cool. So this piece is going to go to one lucky winner of a giveaway at the Gala Dinner at Fluid Art Experience in Dallas on November 17th. It's going to be a lot of fun. Please check out our website at www.fluidartexperience.com, and I will have in the description box for you all the links for all the premiere videos that are going in this FAE collab. Thank you so much for being here. I will show you this one when it's dry.